Why, hello there, friend and wellness seeker. It seems you've decided to join the Green Man on another wellness adventure. Just you wait to see what I have in store for you today. This time we'll be exploring the ancient system of Ayurveda. Get comfy, take a seat, grab a chai latte, and let's begin. Ayurveda, meaning the science of life, is an ancient system of medicine. It originated in India over 5,000 years ago. Ayurveda is a holistic approach to health and well-being. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. This traditional medicine system is deeply rooted in Vedic culture. It offers a comprehensive understanding of health and disease. Ayurveda focuses on preventative measures and personalized treatments. It aims to achieve optimal balance within the individual. Ayurveda's wisdom has been passed down through generations. This knowledge is preserved in ancient texts like the Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita. These texts detail the principles and practices of Ayurveda. They provide a wealth of information for practitioners and students alike. Ayurveda continues to be practiced widely in India and beyond. Its holistic approach resonates with many seeking natural and personalized healthcare. This ancient system offers valuable insights for maintaining health and well-being. It emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with nature, as does the Green Man. I digress. Ayurveda's origins can be traced back to the Vedic period in ancient India. The knowledge of Ayurveda developed over centuries through observation and experience. Rishis, or sages, are credited with developing this system of medicine. They sought to understand the fundamental principles of life and health. The development of Ayurveda was influenced by various philosophical and spiritual traditions. Samkhya philosophy, with its emphasis on the interplay of Purusha, or consciousness, and Prakriti, or matter, played a significant role. Yoga, with its focus on physical and mental discipline, also contributed to Ayurveda's evolution. Ayurveda flourished during the classical period of Indian history. Royal patronage and the establishment of Ayurvedic schools furthered its development. Scholars and practitioners dedicated themselves to refining and expanding Ayurvedic knowledge. This led to the creation of comprehensive texts that systematized Ayurvedic principles and practices. Over time, different schools of thought emerged within Ayurveda, each with its own emphasis and specialization. These schools contributed to the rich tapestry of Ayurvedic knowledge. They ensured the transmission of this ancient wisdom across generations. This diversity reflects the evolving understanding of health and disease within Ayurvedic tradition. Ayurveda was deeply integrated into the daily lives of people in ancient India. It was not merely a system of medicine, but a way of life. Ayurvedic principles guided dietary choices, lifestyle practices, and seasonal routines. This ensured the maintenance of health and well-being. Ayurvedic physicians played a crucial role in society. They were respected members of the community, providing healthcare and guidance. They emphasized preventative measures and personalized treatments. These were tailored to individual constitutions and imbalances. Ayurvedic hospitals and clinics were established to provide healthcare services. These institutions offered a range of treatments, including herbal remedies, massage, and dietary therapies. They served as centers of learning and research, contributing to the advancement of Ayurvedic knowledge. Ayurveda also influenced other aspects of Indian culture, including art, architecture, and literature. Its principles of balance and harmony were reflected in various forms of artistic expression. This integration of Ayurveda into different spheres of life highlights its pervasive influence in ancient Indian society. Ayurveda emphasizes the concept of balance as the key to health and well-being. It recognizes that each individual has a unique constitution, or Prakriti, determined by the balance of three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These doshas represent different energies or biological forces within the body. Vata is associated with air and ether, Pitta with fire and water, and Kapha with earth and water. These doshas govern various physiological functions and psychological characteristics. An imbalance in the doshas can lead to disease. Ayurveda also recognizes the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether as the fundamental building blocks of the universe and the human body. These elements are interconnected and influence the doshas and overall health. Maintaining the balance of these elements is essential for well-being. Ayurvedic treatments aim to restore balance to the doshas and elements. This is achieved through personalized approaches that consider the individual's constitution, imbalances and lifestyle. Ayurveda emphasizes the interconnectedness of mind, body and spirit in achieving optimal health. Ayurvedic practices and remedies. Ayurveda utilizes a wide range of practices and remedies to promote health and address imbalances. Herbal remedies are a cornerstone of Ayurvedic treatment. Plants and herbs are used for their medicinal properties to balance the doshas and support the body's natural healing processes. Dietary recommendations are an integral part of Ayurveda. Specific foods are recommended based on individual constitution and imbalances. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of eating fresh, whole foods and following a balanced diet. Yoga and meditation are also incorporated into Ayurvedic practices. These practices help to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. They are seen as complementary therapies that support the effectiveness of other Ayurvedic treatments. Panchakarma, a detoxification and rejuvenation therapy, is another important aspect of Ayurveda. It involves a series of treatments designed to eliminate toxins from the body and restore balance. Panchakarma is often recommended for chronic conditions or as a preventative measure. Modern relevance and integration with contemporary wellness. Ayurveda's timeless wisdom continues to be relevant in today's world. Many people are turning to Ayurvedic practices to complement modern medical treatments. The holistic approach of Ayurveda, which considers the mind, body and spirit, aligns well with the growing interest in integrative and preventive healthcare. Ayurvedic principles are being incorporated into wellness programs, spa treatments, and even mainstream healthcare settings. What a treat! The emphasis on natural remedies, personalized care, and lifestyle modifications resonates with those seeking a more balanced and sustainable approach to health. As we continue to explore and embrace these ancient practices, Ayurveda's contributions to contemporary wellness are becoming increasingly recognized and valued. Ayurveda's impact on global health and wellness. Ayurveda, with its rich history and comprehensive approach, has significantly influenced health and wellness practices worldwide. This ancient system of medicine offers a holistic perspective that emphasizes balance, preventive care, and natural remedies. By integrating Ayurvedic principles, many modern health practices have evolved to incorporate a more balanced and personalized approach to well-being. The enduring value of Ayurvedic wisdom. The timeless wisdom of Ayurveda continues to be relevant in today's fast-paced world. Its focus on harmony between mind, body, and spirit provides a foundation for sustainable health. People around the globe are rediscovering the benefits of Ayurvedic practices, from dietary guidelines to herbal treatments, and integrating them into their daily lives. The future potential of Ayurveda. As we look to the future, the potential of Ayurveda is vast. With ongoing research and increasing global interest, Ayurveda is poised to play a crucial role in addressing contemporary health challenges. Its principles of individualized care and natural healing resonate with the growing demand for more holistic and sustainable health solutions. Embracing Ayurvedic principles for holistic well-being. In conclusion, embracing Ayurvedic principles can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. By incorporating its practices into our daily routines, we can achieve a deeper connection with our own health and well-being. Ayurveda offers a path to not just treat illness, but to cultivate a state of optimal health and harmony. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Ayurvedic history and principles today. If you found it educational, entertaining, or just plain fun, please like and subscribe. And join the Wellness Tribe so that the Green Man may share his knowledge with more viewers. I would love to see you again.